So, you hear a squealing noise when you start your car, but it goes away after you drive. Well, that could be multiple things, but the number one thing to check is it could be the drive belt, which in turn is your serpentine belt. If it goes away after driving, a simple check would be to, the next time you get in to start it, and it makes the noise, get a spray bottle of water, spray it on your serpentine belt, and if it goes away, more times than not, you probably just need to replace the serpentine belt. But I would schedule an appointment if it keeps up the squeal.